So in this video, we're making a little skid plate for the Lifted Miata using some recycled signs we found on the side of the road.
We do care.
Buckle up, that's the law. Hey, welcome back. We're planning on using this piece of sign to make a skid plate because I don't want to do anything too crazy off-road. You know, have a rock or a boulder or a log go through the oil pan, because some of us found out that's really bad. It wouldn't be the first time the oil pan has been destroyed in this car. Insert picture here of what that looks like. It's really bad to hit big chunks of metal on the highway. If you're wondering, I found this sign on the side of the road. Somebody had ran it over, the post and all. So, finders keepers, I guess. Man, it's awfully nasty down here. So we need a bath. And you can see here on the frame, well, a piece of metal destroyed it. Bent it up here and ended up going through the oil pan. So let's not do that again. And the plan is, I'm just gonna make a piece to cover here. Eventually I want to make a lot longer skid pad that extends over underneath the radiator and the what is this thing called, intercooler piping and all this stuff. But currently I have nowhere to attach it in the front, so that's gonna have to wait until we can build like a bash bar or a cage in the front, giving a place to put a little skid plate. So just a little small one around the oil pan for now will be fine. So let's get to work. I'm gonna get my measurements and see how big a piece of metal I need. Now that I got my measurements, I'm gonna put them on this piece of cardboard. That way I can make a template. I'd rather mess up my cardboard than my piece of metal. Okay, I got my template cut out, and it looks like it should be good. Should fit. I might have to go a little bit wider in the back, but nothing I can't fix. So let's transfer this to a piece of metal. I got the template. Now we're just going to transfer the template to the piece of metal. Now to do what I do best. Okay, I got my piece of metal all cut out. We do kill. Got it all smoothed up. Now I gotta make my holes. I'm gonna start up these rear ones, get them lined up, bolted up. Then I'll see where these land, so I can find a good place to put them in the front. Probably gonna nut plate it to the frame. So since I'm utilizing the holes from this little brace to mount the plate, I can use it to line up my holes. Find out where we're going to be. Too easy. Okay, I got 2 holes. Now I just got to make them big enough for this bolt. I think that's going to fit.
Why didn't you just go home? That's your home! Are you too good for your home? Answer me!
But luckily, got some of these bad boys. Okay, I got 2 nice big holes drilled out underneath it. Okay, next I'm going to mount it to the bottom of the car and temporarily mount it up. Make sure those are in the right spot. Very nice. Both my holes line up. Got 2 bolts in. And it looks like it fits pretty good. Now I need to mark the front bolts. Okay, I got my front 2 holes drilled out and big enough for a bolt. Now I gotta put it back on, then make these marks on the subframe so I know where to drill the subframe.
Five minutes later.
Okay, I got my 2 holes drilled out and I have them big enough for my rev nuts. So now I just need to squeeze those bad boys in. Okay, both my rev nuts are in. They feel secure. Like I said in the past, one of my favorite new tools. I highly recommend them. Okay, well the plate is mounted. Well, I did drill the hole in the wrong place over here. Oops.
Idiot.
I guess I thought was my Sharpie mark. I was wrong. So, note to self, use a different color Sharpie. But nothing another hole couldn't fix. Even though it's up there and secure, I'm not done. I need a access hole for the drain plug. I don't want to have to remove this every single time I want to change the oil. So I need to put a little round hole over there somewhere. Okay, I got my plate off for like the 20th time. I have my marks laid out. Now I'm going to use this hole saw to make a hole so I can drain oil when I need to. Right, I got my hole cut out. This should be the final product. All that's left is to put it back on, hopefully for the last time. And like that, it is done. Try to make it easy for it to come on and off. Just 2 17s in the back, 2 12s in the front. Just zap them off and it comes off. Pretty easy. I can still get to my oil drain. That's a plus. Okay, that was a quick and easy project, which, I don't know, probably took me about 2 hours, and very inexpensive thing that can potentially save you a lot of money. I'm sure if I had one of these a few years ago, it would have saved us a lot of money and a lot of hours of pulling an engine to replace an oil pan. But now that we have this, I won't, I'll be less scared to go a little bit harder on the car and taking off road and stuff. But in the future, I do plan on putting a bash bar and a lot bigger brush guard skid plate on it. But that'll be later. First, I gotta do the. I gotta put this bad boy on. I'm all tangled up. So hopefully that'll be next. But thanks for watching. Hope you learned something or enjoyed this video. But before we end the video, let's see if I can go find somewhere we can go play. Have a little fun, maybe get a little muddy, Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like it. And also subscribe. And also hit that notification bell down here somewhere. Looks like a bell. I don't think it jingles. And if you're quarantined like me, stuck at home, nothing to do, well, I got plenty of things to do, you can check out one of my other videos where I fix or break things or crash or everything else. But until then, stay safe, have fun, don't do anything I would do. Peace out.